Grab some Hershey Kisses, punch or cut a heart out of colorful cardstock, and use some hot glue to glue it in between the bases of 2 kisses. Trim off the excess little paper on the front and back. Then using hot glue, add a little bead for the nose and 2 googly eyes to 1 Hershey Kiss. On the bottom of the other Hershey Kiss, attach a little piece of twine for the tail, and you have the cutest little Valentine mice. Grab some red suckers and cut a small piece of green crepe paper and add a little glue from a glue stick. Then wrap the crepe paper around the stem of each sucker. Grab a piece of green cardstock and cut a leaf shape. Then use a green pencil to add some veining and embellishments to the leaves. Use a little hot glue to glue the 2 leaves together and glue the stems of the 2 suckers together. Attach the leaves to the stems and you have this cute little set of cherries. Grab some fun packs of Skittles, start with a clothespin, and add some washi tape to one side. Then trim down a fuzzy stick and curl it into antenna. Use some hot glue to attach the fuzzy stick antenna to the top of the clothespin. And a little more hot glue to add 2 googly eyes. Then pinch open your clothespin and squeeze in that bag of Skittles to create the butterfly wings. Grab some Tootsie Pops. Using hot glue, attach the smaller of the hearts in a circle around the Tootsie Pop. Then use the larger hearts to create another row. Add as many rows as you like and you're gonna have this adorable looking flower. You can create a bouquet and this makes an awesome little Valentine.
Today we're gonna start with this craft foam ball in a Dollar Tree mug. And the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to use some Dollar Tree tissue paper. And the reason I'm going to do this is because I want my foam to be covered. You can use the red or the heart or white even, just as long as it doesn't look like styrofoam. And I'm going to get my trusty Mod Podge. I don't need this 100% covered. And I'm going to put it directly on my tissue paper first. I'm just going to gently press this on. And then I'm going to come back in and just kind of fill out my edges. I don't need this to look super neat because it's going to be covered. I just don't want it to look like a styrofoam ball. And then I'm going to sit this to the side and let this dry. Okay, now that this is dry and it's on, and like I said, it doesn't have to look beautiful. I just wanted my styrofoam to be covered. And this is okay at the bottom. This is going to go inside the cup. So I have let and I'm just going to take and I'm going to do a bead of glue. And I tested this and this just peels right off so you can wash the cup and it'll be fine with the hot glue on it. So just give it a nice bead of hot glue. And we're going to take our end and you can just stick that down and just stick it right on. And I got the Lindor milk chocolate. Just going to put a little dot of hot glue. And I'm just going to start gluing these on. And turquoise. They're just these cute little metal pails. And we are going to use these chalkboard tags in a heart shape from the Dollar Tree as well. And then I happen to have this snow globe from the Dollar Tree. And then you could also use a clear ornament, but I'm going to use this one because I'm going to use a bigger candy, so I needed more room. But you can use either one of these. We're just going to take the lid off of our snow globe and fill it with the cute large candy hearts. Put our lid back in. Again, we're going to do our bead of hot glue. Like that. You can write the name of the person you're giving it to. You can write the word love. You can do anything you want here. This time we're going to use a styrofoam cone, and I'm just going to take and fit, and this time I'm going to cut just around, like, again, it doesn't have to be perfect, but I definitely don't want a ton of tissue paper. I don't want to wrap it several times. And I have my little template here. Take my Mod Podge. And then down here, I'm just going to tuck and get that folded down. And this part doesn't have to be perfect. So we've got our clear mug from the Dollar Tree. I love these clear mugs. I want to fill our mug with some double bubble that I got from the Dollar Tree. So we're just going to put some in there. Okay, so I've got my double bubble in the cup. How cute is that? Take my bead of hot glue. Take a bit of this and just kind of scrunch it up and place it over the top. And our cone fits just inside, so I'm going to glue around the outside and just stick it down in. We're going to take some of our pretty ribbon and I'm going to put it right over the rim of the cup. Now I'm going to take some blow pops, and then we're just going to take these and start at the bottom and just press them in. How cute is that? I absolutely cannot wait to give these adorable Valentine gifts away.